Hello and welcome to Eamont Bridge. I'm just outside Penrith in the gorgeous village of Eamont Bridge. Penrith is only half a mile or so away up there. We've got beautiful open fields to the front of me and we've come to see this gorgeous stone-built house. It's got 3 bedrooms upstairs. 2 of those have got an ensuite. It's got a lovely dining room, living room and an awesome kitchen diner. Absolutely beautiful. In the garden at the back we've got these manicured lawns. We've got a couple of seating areas. We've got the garage, and there's also a sunroom which is all insulated and it's got a toilet next to it as well, so you can use that as a proper outdoor office, a workshop, whatever. There's a couple of parking spaces here as well. So without further ado, we'll flip this round, show you the street scene, and then we'll get you inside. Okay, so this is our street scene. That takes us round to the main street of Eamont Bridge. Bags of parking here, so easily get a couple of cars on there, and then we've got the garage and that loops around to the bridge. So a nice open look there. So oodles of parking, the garage, and then in we go. So I'll just negotiate this childproof gate. Right, and we're in. So I've got a lovely mature garden here, the lawn to the house. There's your garage. And this has actually got a sunroom attached to the end, which is all insulated and double glazed in there, and then we've got a loo just there as well. Plenty of different angles to sit at. We've got tables and chairs here, and what a pretty place. It's a lovely stone built with this really easy to manage manicured garden. And then we'll get you inside. So we'll come in and we've got this welcoming entrance, and that's actually plumbed for the white goods there as well. Nice work surface. We'll come in, and the first room we have is a bit of a awesome wow factor. Check out this kitchen. So it goes all the way around here. We've got banks of Neff appliances there. We've got the induction hob, nice breakfast bar, tons and tons of storage. What a nice kitchen. And I've got this lovely wooden floor here as well. And then from there we're into the dining room. So again, lovely spacious room, little snug area there. We'll come through into the living room. So living room's got a nice big multi-fuel stove. We've got double doors that open out into the garden. Really nice. Some storage there as well. Then up we go. Up onto the landing. So great big loft access hatch there. Master bedroom is here, and check this out. We've got the dressing area. We've got this very cool ensuite with a great big double shower cubicle in there. Rainfall shower head. It's beautiful. And then into the room itself, which is beautiful. We've got a nice feature ceiling here. Double aspect views there. And then opposite, we've got this newly done bathroom. So we've got one of those showers that pull out of the bath there as well. And another great shower. Look at that. Okay, next bedroom. Again, we've got a nice double bedroom with an ensuite. Nice and bright as well. And the ensuite. Again, it's absolutely stunning. Look at the finish on it. I've got the shower cubicle with a rainfall shower head in there as well. So this one is really done to a gorgeous spec and ready to move straight into. It really is. So that's your final bedroom there. Another great size double room. Right, so there we are. If you want to come and see this absolute stunner in Eamont Bridge, then please give the Penrith office a call. And we are on 01768 88 1111.